Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make fan art using Midjourney AI. So basically now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and open any kind of browsers and search for Midjourney. And then from here, we go to Midjourney and sign in with our Discord account. Now, as you can see, we given the authorization and then I will go to Discord and basically just like so, I click on open Discord and I wait until it loads. And you will notice that your the Discord server has been added to your Discord account. Let's click on it, and then let's click on any chat of new buys. Let's go for this one, for example, and then I will go all the way down, and I will type here slash imagine prompt, and let's then make us like Cristiano Ronaldo fan art, and let's make it high quality digital, and let's click on enter. So as you can see now, it will start making us the image. Let's go up a little bit so we can see the progress. And yeah, it can take between 30 seconds until 2 minutes and a half maximum. And yeah, it will give us some ridiculously good amount of images that looks really cool. Also, you can add the details, the colors that you want it to use, even if you want it to be a digital art, a drawing, or etc., or a painting even. You can all of this choose it and give it to it. Now let's go down and see what it will give us. So here it is, and this is Cristiano Ronaldo fan art that it gave us, which is looking pretty much good. It is not looking so bad. So yeah, guys, that is how you can actually make a fan art using Midjourney AI. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys, and see you next video.